Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off nearby device scanning on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Google tile. Just go ahead and select that. And then select the All Services tab at the top. And then you want to go down and select underneath Connected Devices and Sharing. Select the Devices button. If you want to enable or allow for scanning for nearby devices, you can keep it toggled to the right. Otherwise, you can disable it by left-clicking inside the oval to turn that off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.